Hello, I'm Terry Hummel, and we have had this restaurant for 9 years. Healthy food in a little building that's been here for 90 years called the Cruise Inn Country Diner.
We knew car things, we had car club friends, we knew we could get a lot of neat decor, so the name came about, Cruise Inn Country Diner.
What's unique about the Cruise Inn Country Diner, we're about 4.5 miles out of the town of Hillsboro, the city limits, and we're right on a four-way stop cross-section area.
There is huge potential here. There's more than 10 or 11,000 cars a day that pass through this intersection. So the potential to increase is enormous.
The diner is very, very interesting little building. It just really holds 54 people in the main dining room and about 25 on the outside patio deck. We got into 50s, 60s booze, tables, chairs, old-fashioned bar.
Then you look over and they can see there's the old-fashioned milkshake machine running. We've got 13 beer taps. The side room is also very full of all kinds of great license plates, tin signs, car pictures.
As we get into the whole diner system, we want to get into the kitchen area and have an old open window concept. So it's old school concept here, 50s, 60s Cruise Inn Diner.
Harry is known kind of as Mr. Organic, so he wanted all healthy, grass-fed meats, all natural buns. Our fries are from real potatoes, and then we've added in a whole lot of gluten-free items.
What's really neat about our restaurant is we wanted to have a precedence on foods that no one else had in the fast food / diner business. So we incorporated all over the Pacific Northwest to stay local with vendors that had very clean, healthy, whole foods.
There's a little house immediately behind the diner, 1.5 bedroom house. The back part of that little house, we have a laundry room that both the tenant and us use. And then there's also extra storage, so it's a nice place to keep things and keep the diner itself a little bit more free of clutter. We won just last Friday the People's Choice Favorite Restaurant in the Tualatin Valley, and that's through the Washington County Visitors Association. It was the second time we'd won that award, and we were pretty excited to be a favorite restaurant.
And what's really the last 5 years has caught on with our diner is the automobile clubs that have really nested on the weekends when the sun's out on their car clubs having a good meeting here and a rally. So we've really increased our population with car enthusiasts.
Every Friday we have a group of car guys, and if the weather's good, they drive their cars. So it's really fun to see. You never know what's going to show up in the parking lot, and that's pretty fun. You've got a turnkey operation. There's people that come 2 and 3 times a week. There's people that come twice a month, but it's a really steady customer base.
So we're honored to see the growth of this because of our opportunity to give back with a smile and very, very high quality food.